Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2014 Jeep Patriot and I will show you which fuse to check in case your power mirrors are not working. This video will apply to Jeep Patriots made from 2007 all the way up to 2017. Power mirrors fuse is located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood on the driver's side, very easy accessible. It's right here. Now to remove the cover, you will have two black tabs. You want to press them at the same time and lift up. On the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. Okay, and the fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number 6, which is a 10 amp red fuse located right here. Now, if this fuse is good and your power mirrors are still not working, then you want to start looking towards the power mirror switch or a possible wiring issue. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.